In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove space between paragraphs in WordPress. If you've noticed extra gaps between your paragraphs, the fix usually lives in your site's editor, and it only takes a minute. Let's walk through it together so your text looks clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by opening the site editor and loading your home template. This is where you can change the layout and spacing that affects your content across the site. Click directly into the content area so a paragraph is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the block toolbar above it and the settings panel ready on the right side. If you don't see the settings panel, toggle it on with the gear icon at the top right. With the paragraph still selected, look for the dimensions section in the sidebar. This is where spacing controls live in most modern themes. Find the margin controls and set the top margin to 0. Then do the same for the bottom margin. Type 0 there as well. These two quick changes usually remove the unwanted space that appears between consecutive paragraphs. Give the preview a glance. If your theme exposes other spacing fields like block spacing or padding in the same panel, make sure they're not adding extra gap. Keep your focus on margins first, since that's the most common cause of the problem. Next, let's quickly confirm the fix before we publish. With your paragraph still selected, open the More Options menu, the 3 dots in the block toolbar, and choose Duplicate. You should now have 2 identical paragraphs stacked together. Check the space between them. If the gap looks tight and consistent, the margin change worked as intended. Now that you've verified the spacing, select the temporary duplicate and delete it so you're not leaving extra content behind. This keeps your template clean and prevents confusion later. When you're happy with the result, save your changes. Click Save at the top right and follow the prompts. On some setups, you'll also see a launch button to push the update live. Go ahead and click that so visitors see the new spacing immediately. A quick tip before we wrap up. Some themes apply spacing at a higher level, like a group or post-content wrapper. If the paragraph margins didn't fully solve it, repeat the same check on the parent container and reduce its block spacing or margins as needed.